So I hooked up a Motion Raceworks wheel speed sensor to my front passenger side wheel, mounted to pick up the back of the lug studs. This is how it's configured. You can see 5 pp per rotation, which is basically the lug count. It tells us how to calibrate the speed. Here's how I have it wired. The yellow tan wire is the plus 5 volts to the CAN IO module. Pin 10, I have it wired up to input 2, which is pin 14, and then the sensor ground, which is pin 12. So as I rotate this, you'll see about 8 miles an hour. We'll see if it's accurate later on, but this is just the test phase to make sure everything works. I'm going to get some light in here so you can see how I have it mounted. I used some cardboard to mock a bracket up and then made it out of metal. So as you can see, as the stud passes by the sensor, that's what's giving you your signal. Just like that. Pretty easy. 3 wires to hook up. Hardest thing was just making your own bracket. So, worked out pretty good. We'll be testing it once I start driving the car.